we've talked about ionic compounds, and then we said that they are formed between cations and anions. The cation will donate an electron, the anion will accept. We've also talked about covalent compounds. Then they are formed when atoms decide to share electrons instead of giving an electron outright, or instead of accepting an electron outright. Now let's see the difference between these two types of compounds. Their formation: electrons are transferred in ionic compounds. So we can say ionic compounds are made up of ions. Covalent compounds only share electrons and therefore are made up of molecules. Ionic compounds are made up of ions. Covalent compounds are made up of molecules. Now let's see the melting and boiling. Melting and boiling points are high in ionic compounds. Melting and boiling points are low in covalent compounds. The reason is because of the transfer of electrons. Once the transfer is done, we can take it as the amount of loyalty each atom has to the compound is higher than just the sharing of the electrons. Now ionic compounds have high, hard, and crystalline structure. When you take salt is made up of crystals. Ionic compounds have hard and crystalline structures. Covalent compounds are soft and flexible. Their structures are soft and flexible. Solubility: an ionic compound will easily dissolve in water, but covalent compounds have low solubility in water. For conductivity, ionic compounds conduct electricity due to the presence of these ions. They conduct electricity due to the presence of these ions. Covalent compounds are bad conductors due to the absence of ions. So the presence of ions will make ionic compounds good conductors. The absence of ions make covalent compounds very, very bad conductors of electricity.